Com10 students, this week you are going to be watching a film called She's Beautiful When She's Angry, and the film is available for free through something called Kanopy, which we are all benefiting from in the Peralta system. I don't know how long they're going to have it, but we have it now, so we're going to use it. I'm going to show you how to access Kanopy and see the film. First, go to Google, just because it's easy to search for everything from there. And you're going to do a search for Merit Library Kanopy. Merit Library Kanopy, okay? And it will take you to the Merit Library or databases. This is what you want, Kanopy. Okay, so let's go to the library directly. Let's just go to the Merritt College Library. Here we are. Right up top here, you see it's advertising the New York Times. Below that, you see 4 dots. It's going to go through these different pages. If you click on the dot, it'll take you to different pages. The third dot is Kanopy. Go ahead and click on that. And this is what you're going to see. When you want to go into Kanopy, you want to put in your last name and your student number. Okay, again, just your last name and your student ID number. Once you do that, click Submit. This is the official entry into Kanopy through Merritt College that tells the college you're a part of the college, so you can use these films for free. Okay, and your first name should appear up on this right-hand corner. Once you get into Kanopy, you can see all the films they have. There's some films that are options for our final write-up that are in Kanopy. For example, Moonlight. If we look for Moonlight, that's one of the options. So you can watch Moonlight for free. It's age restricted, so you just have to check I am over 18 years old. And then you get to watch it for free. It's pretty awesome. The movie that we want to watch is She's Beautiful When She's Angry. There it is. She's Beautiful When She's Angry, the history of the women's liberation movement. And whenever you're ready, you can play the movie. You can make it full screen, and you can put on captions. And that's it. If you have any questions, as always, please email me. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy the movie and this week's lessons.